Mga idol at kabayan, breaking news! Iran naglunsad ng mahigit 300 attack drone, surface-to-air missile at ballistic missile sa bansang Israel. Ito daw ang ganti ng Iran matapos masawi ang 3 general at 4 na opisyal ng Iran Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps matapos bombahin ng Israel ang embahada ng Iran sa Syria. Pero kahit ganon karami ang naitalang pag-atake ng Iran, wa epek ito sa Israel. Ayon sa Israel Defense Force, 79% pag-atake ng Iran ay nasupil at napigilan sa pamamagitan ng iba't ibang air defense nito at sa tulong na rin ng US Air Force. Kung kayo ang tatanungin mga kabayan, dapat bang gumanti ang Israel sa Iran? President Biden nagbabala sa Iran, handa ang Amerika na depensahan ang Israel kung kinakailangan.
We are devoted to the defense of Israel. We will support Israel. We will help defend Israel. And Iran will not succeed. Thank you very much.
Iran naglunsad ng pag-atake sa Israel na sa mahigit 300 attack drone, surface-to-air missile at ballistic missile ang inilunsad ng Iran sa bansang Israel. Isang pagkakamali ng Iran na posibleng pagsimulan ng ikatlong digmaan at pagbibigay dahilan sa Israel upang magsagawa ng mas matindi, mas malakas at mas malawakang counter-offensive sa teritoryo ng Iran. Ayon sa mga ulat, ito ang kauna-unahang ginawang direct attack ng Iran sa Israel bilang ganti sa pagkasawi ng 3 general at 4 pang mga opisyal ng Iran Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps sa isinagawang airstrike ng Israel sa embahada ng Iran sa Syria. Sa dami ng attack drone, surface-to-air missile at ballistic missile na pinakawalan ng Iran, lumiwanag ang kalangitan ng Israel. Habang papalapit ang mga attack drone, surface-to-air missile at ballistic missile, maririnig ang sunod-sunod na pagsabog sa himpapawid dahil sa hinarang ito ng iba't ibang air defense ng Israel. Nagbanta naman si President Biden sa Iran na handa ang Amerika na depensahan ang Israel. Ang alyansa ng Israel at Amerika is ironclad.
We are devoted to the defense of Israel. We will support Israel. We will help defend Israel. And Iran will not succeed. Thank you very much. We also want to address the Iranian threat to launch they're threatening to launch a significant attack on Israel. As I told Prime Minister Netanyahu, our commitment to Israel's security against these threats from Iran and its proxies is ironclad. Let me say it again, ironclad. We're going to do all we can to protect Israel's security.
Ayon sa source, naglunsad ang Iran ng halos 320 pag-atake. 170 ay sa pamamagitan ng paglunsad ng mga attack drone. 30 naman ay mga cruise missiles at 120 gamit ang kanilang ballistic missiles. Kinumpirma ng Israel Defense Force, 79% nito o halos 300. 16 sa mga ito ay kanilang na-intercept gamit ang iba't ibang military hardware ng Israel at sa tulong ng US Air Force. Ganyan kagaling at kaepektibo ang mga gamit pang depensa ng Israel at kudos na rin sa tulong ng mga fighter jets ng Amerika. Ang pakikilahok ng puwersa ng Amerika upang protektahan ang Israel sa utos ni President Biden ay kinumpirma mismo ni US Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin III sa kanyang social media account. Ayon sa Iran, tinamaan daw ng kanilang ballistic missile ang isa sa napakahalagang airbase ng Israel F-35 sa Nevatim. Pero ang totoo, halos lahat ng mga ballistic missile ay tumama lamang sa open area. Bilang patunay, ipinakita ng Israel Air Force sa kanilang social media ang isang F-35 5th generation fighter jets ay matagumpay na nakalapa sa nasabing paliparan.
Tonight, Iran launched a large-scale of coordinated attack on Israel. The regime in Iran fired a massive swarm over 200 killer drones, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles towards the state of Israel. Together with our allies and partners across the region, we are operating at this very moment to defend Israel from Iran's attack. So far, we have intercepted the vast majority of incoming missiles by Israeli systems. So far, we have intercepted and are continuing to intercept dozens of attack drones as well as cruise missiles and ballistic missiles outside of Israel's border. A number of Iranian missiles fell inside Israeli territory, causing minor damage to a military base with no casualties. Only one little girl has been hurt, and we hope she will be well. The Iranian attack is ongoing. Our plans are in the air. Tonight, wide-scale attack by Iran is a major escalation. Together with our allies and partners, we are operating at full force to defend the state of Israel and the people of Israel. We will continue to fulfill this mission. The event is still occurring, but until now, over 200 different kinds have been fired to Israel. Killer drones, ballistic missiles, and cruise missiles. We have already intercepted a vast majority of the threats by Israeli systems and with assistance from our partners. We are still in the event, our plans are still in the air, intercepting targets, and we are ready for any threat that will come to Israel. We will do everything we need, everything, to defend the state of Israel.
Laban Pinas.